Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to see how the transactions info work. I've already taken some trades, so I'll show you what trades I've taken. So basically, I've bought SBIN. I've taken two orders. So I bought SBIN, which has already been filled, and my second order is not filled yet because it's a limit order. So you can clearly see in my positions tab that I have one trade here, one position's open, and in my trades tab also there is one trade which has triggered. So we have one trade, one position, and two orders. Why two orders? Because as I said, one is already closed, which is already filled, and one is working, which means it's open. So let's check if we can get those information. So on the left side you will see transaction info. Just click on tradebook, and once you click on tradebook, again just come to headers, and again we'll have to put in our app ID and the access token. So I've already copied that part. I'm just pasting it here. So this is my app ID colon access token, and once I click send, you will see that we have started to get the results at the bottom. So if you see here in the body, we have got one result for the trade book, and it says that my trade number is this is my order number, one quantity, and it is for SBIN. So this is the trade which we had taken, and as you can see here, this is the same information that we are getting here in the trades. So this is the exact same trade information. As you can see here, the order number here is 371, which is corresponding to 371 here. So essentially whatever is showing on the front end, we've been able to get that information here also. So let me just make it back to this. Let's go to holdings, and I'm going to do the similar thing. So I'm just clicking on headers, and in the authorization part I'm doing control V, and once I click on send, you can see that we have got one result. It says that I've bought Reliance. It says that I've bought Reliance. It says what my quantity, my net PNL, my LTP, all those things. And again, why this has happened, because I've taken one holding. So if you come here and if you see holdings, I have the holding of Reliance. So again, whatever is showing here, whatever information is showing on the front end, we can get this exact same information in the Postman also. So again, that helps us to get the results in the easier format. Let me close the holdings tab now. I'm going to go to the next one, which is positions, and again I'm going to click on headers. Just control V, pasting the app ID and the access token, clicking send, and you can see we have got the positions of the day. Like I showed you, we have only one position. So we have the symbol, we have the ID, we have the buying price, which is 715, the total quantity bought, which is one quantity. I have still not exited it, so there are no exit prices. So my net quantity is 1. My side equal to 1 means that it's a buying trade. It's an intraday. My realized profit is 0 because I have not exited it. It also shows the LTP. Since after buying the stock has gone down, it is showing me the unrealized profit, and that's it, right? And you can see it says that total overall I have one trade, out of which one trade is open. I don't have a realized profit, and my unrealized profit is minus 1.19, or let's say minus 1.2. And again, if we go to the website, you will see exactly the same thing happening here. If you go to positions, this is the average price, this is the LTP. Again, it's a buying trade, one quantity. So whatever, again, we were looking from the Postman perspective, we're getting the same thing here. All the same columns are actually mentioned in Postman also. And I'm going to talk about the last one now, which is orders. So let me close this also, and I'm just clicking on orders, and I'm going to put orders here. Again, control paste, send, and now it should show me two orders, because we have two orders. One is already exited. So the first one is SBIN, which is already exited. So this is already exited. Again, it tells me the client ID, the total quantity, filled quantity, that means it's already exited. I don't have any remaining quantity left. The traded price, what was the exchange and the segment, so it is NSE, and the time at which I took the entry, and all the information about this symbol that I had taken entry in. And the second one is idea, which is not yet filled. As you can see here, my quantity is 1, but my remaining quantity is also 1. That means it's still not filled. I have put in a limit price, which is 7.9. That means I want to buy this at 7.9, but since the price has not reached that place, it's not yet filled. So basically, again, whatever information that we can see from the orders tab here, everything is mentioned here. So that's how it works. Again, you can go through the other parameters also, where you can put in your filter. That means you can filter it by, either you want to filter it by ID. So those things are also possible. So but we will not be going into it too much. These are the main ones. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for joining, and I will see you in the next video.